welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be unboxing my Boxy Luxe. I have literally no idea what is going to be in this box because they didn't really post a whole lot about it. I feel like this month they literally just posted a post like an hour ago, and I just got this literally today, what is today? The 8th. So today they posted a picture of one of the things that's in here. So that's literally all I know. So, alright. So there's that. Hey guys, I got my card this month. So there's like paper in this one, which is weird. Usually they have like good padding. But the first thing I see is this BoxyCharm palette, which I figured this might be in it since it was in the base box. And this is $39. So it's called Hello Charmers, the palette. Oh, these pens are big. Oh, these colors are so pretty actually. These are so much prettier in real life than what I thought they were gonna be. Especially this one. That is like gorgeous. I am obsessed. I can't wait to wear that color, and this one actually. Like, look at this. Do you see that blue and the green too? Oh my gosh, all the really sparkly ones, they're just absolutely gorgeous. Like, even like in the mirror reflection, can you see that? It's like purple on the blue. Whoa. That's insane. Okay, this is probably going to be a bomb palette to use, honestly. So that is the first item in this box. Nothing's broken, thank God. Alright, I feel like this is just like a whole bunch of random crap. Alright, so this is a Elizabeth Moat, I think. Smooth eyeshadow eye pencil duo. And this is worth $40 for this little ass pencil. And the colors are Raven and Pearl. Oh, there's two in here, okay. I was like, damn. That's expensive for one. Okay, so here's Pearl. I'm guessing. Yeah. And then this is Raven. And that is those little dudes. Oh, goodness. This is the Cocoa Cabana cream and the Bum Bum cream. I literally have, I think, 3 of these now. And a big one of this, and now the small one. I've gotten so much of these creams. I guess people must really like them. I'm guessing. I've used them once, and this one is way too strong for me. The smell, like, gives me a headache. This one, I've used it once. And I haven't used it again, but I don't know if it's like a duo or what. Yeah. So I think together they're $15. That's actually not too bad. The bigger ones are pretty expensive though. Like the full size of these are pretty not cheap. So that's those. I'm gonna be stocked up on these for life. Alright, the next thing is a NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in Give It Up. And this is $25. Like super pink. Take a look at that. Very, very, very pink. Apparently people really like pink lip colors. I like the lighter ones, like more nudes. Definitely a nude lip girl for sure. But I will definitely try this one out and see how it works. The next thing I see in here is from Appeal Gel Liner in Muse, I think. And this is $21 and it's pink. Okay, we have a Deborah Lippmann nail polish little duo. And this is $19 for these two little dudes. I used to love these nail polishes because I used to wear them, but now I wear only shellac, so my mom and sister will definitely get a good use out of this, especially my mama. She loves nail polish. Next is this Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. And this, as I kill it, is $70. It's trying to run away. So here is this packaging. I have actually used this before, and I like pretty much everything from Murad. It all works really well for the most part from my experience with it. So that is a good product to get. And last but not least, this is what they posted today. Like a little over an hour ago. So this is by PMD Clean. And this is $99. So this is soft silicone bristles, waterproof, and it takes AA batteries, and I think basically it just cleans your face like really well and gets it all like nice and pretty. Just trying to run out of here. Hey, it even comes with batteries. Well, a battery, so I guess it takes one battery. Oh, how cute. It has like a little holder so it can stand. And the bottom is rose gold. How perfect is that, guys? But this is what this looks like. Like the bristles are really nice on it. I will definitely be trying this out, and the battery is cute. It's got pink. It has a pink and white battery. So that is this little dude. I'm actually pretty excited to try this. I like all these like crazy products for your face. Maybe I'll film a review on this and see if I actually like really do like it and let you guys know about it to see if you want to purchase it or not. It's a smart facial cleansing device. So I used to use a Clarisonic a lot and then I just stopped. So I'll have to see if I like this. I think I will. Just the little head is all nice. And you don't have to replace this head. Just, it's good the way it is. Alright, so we got a skincare cleaning product, a skincare product, lotion, technically creams, I don't know, body cream, let's see, nail polish, a lip color from NARS. Holy crap. This palette and these 3 pencils. That's everything we got. Now I'm scared I'm gonna drop all of it, so. That's everything. So we got quite a few products in this. I definitely only thought of this and this would for sure be in here. That's it. Literally everything else was a surprise to me, honestly. Even this technically was. I only for sure knew this, obviously. I told you guys. But, yeah. Let's add this bad boy up and see what the value of this box is. So the box was $328 value, which is pretty good. When I honestly first got this box, the way that like it just felt really light and like everything was moving around in it, so I was like there's just gonna be a whole bunch of like little small things, which technically there were, but the value of them is pretty high, so it all adds up. I was like, this is just gonna be like a random stuffed box, which it kind of is, really. Like, to be completely honest, it's a whole bunch of just random crap. I think just because they didn't really post much about this box whatsoever, because they've been focusing on the premium box, which I get. The premium box is bomb. I wish I got that box. Like, all that Fenty Beauty makeup in it is insane, and it's only like $35 a month. So gotta get on that list now. I had to get on this list a long time ago to get this box. Now there's that box. And then obviously the main box. But who wants the main box only when you can get all this crazy stuff, right? So yeah, I was kind of hoping to get the Melt Away makeup cleanser because I actually really like that stuff. I have green tea ones from them and I've been using them lately. Like, I didn't use them before because I don't know, I'm just weird. It takes me forever to like pick something new up. But obviously when I do, I'm like, why didn't I do this sooner? So there's like this green tea facial makeup cleansing like cream, and it literally melts away your makeup. It's amazing, like all of it. It's crazy. And then your face like feels really good after. It feels like super clean. Sorry, I know I'm going on like a rampage of nothing that's in this video, but I just wanted you guys to know. I'll probably do a video on it so you can actually see the product, see how it works. I'll just like do a full face and then remove all of it like at the end of the day for you guys, so you can like see how insane this stuff actually is. Like, I'm actually super stoked to have it now, so you know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love it so much. We are so close to 200 subscribers. I'm really excited about it, so don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, please. That'd be amazing. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!